the sire that I like here in Goodyear came from when she was in Southern California. And they breed all working life. They're not bred for formation so much. Yes, they do shit swings. And that's what I'm looking for.
Okay, well, yeah, but you want to ride.
Right, I want to ride.
You want to ride.
And I want speed too.
I mean, that's what I noticed because I was like, I always watch her because she's so fun to watch.
She's so drivey. She's
oh
so...
my God, but she didn't care.
Huh?
She just was like, I'm moving with gusto. And I'm
right.
Like, and it's like, that's what I want.
Yeah.
And, but you can control it.
It took me a while, but I did get it.
Oh, Pins! What did you do, man?
I know, Zach slid on that too. Zach slid across that shit. Well, Zach actually slid on it.
Oh. That was nice.
She slid. Her back feet went underneath it. That's